Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find Google Place ID for your business. So first of all you have to click on this link, open Google Place ID Finder, and when I click on this link you can you can see the page Place ID Finder, and you can see also a search box. In this search box you have to enter your business name. Like if I enter the 26 Fitness, 26 Fitness, and you can see my business name Place ID here. This is my Place ID, and I need to copy the Place ID from here. Controls, and then go to the gym page, and here you have to paste this Google Place ID here. Now with this you can, and you have to update the profile from here. And now in your profile setting, in the gym setting, you can see your Google Place ID. This is your Google Place ID of your business, and it